everyone, welcome to Roxy's Reviews. We go wild camping quite often when we're allowed to. We're in lockdown here at the moment, but normally we'd be out wild camping on the moors. And I thought I would test for you the Star 85 Vango lantern. Now we picked this up, I think we paid sort of $6.99, so we got it for a really good price. So let's take a look. Okay, so here it is out of the box, and as you can see, it's not very big. It sits in my hand, which is great because we just wanted something that doesn't take up too much space in our bag. Also, it's really light, which I like, because obviously when we're wild camping, it's whatever you can carry, so you don't want anything very heavy. So that works out really well for us. What I like is this little handle, so you can hang it from the roof of your tent, and then when you get up, you can just put it back that way and stick it back in your bag, which is really good. It's got two settings. It's got a low setting that's 40 lumens and will last 32 hours according to the box, and then it's got a high setting that's 85 lumens that it says will give you 12 hours to the batteries. So it looks pretty bright, and I will try it in the dark in a minute so you can see how bright it is, but 12 hours for us is going to do us 2, maybe 3 camping trips, so that's fine for me. Okay, so here I am somewhere dark, and I'll just put it on the low setting for you so you can see. So even on the low setting, it's really quite bright, and actually I think this might be okay for us in our tent, just like this. But on high, it is quite a bit brighter. On the bright setting it said 12 hours, and on the low setting it says 32 hours. So actually I think this is going to last us quite a long time because this low setting looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm overall I'm really pleased with it. Let's go back and have a little look at the features before we finish. Okay, so that's pretty much the review of this lovely little lantern, the Vango Star 85. And I am really pleased with it. It's exactly what I wanted, nice and light and portable to go in my rucksack when we go camping. Gives out good light that should last a good couple of nights, if not 3. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been helpful for you. I've got several other camping bits and pieces that I'm going to review. I've got a lovely little miniature deep-hour stove that I'll do for you next time. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and give it a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.